Hi guys, today I would like to do some unboxing video for the Nokia 7 Plus of Malaysian Unit. I pre-order the Nokia 7 Plus, therefore I get around 300 ringgit of free gift. So let us unbox some of the items. Okay, now in front of me there is the Bluetooth speaker, as you can see. Come with the speaker and some of the strips and the micro USB cable strip and AUX cable. This one is an AUX cable, I think. Yup. And okay, we put that aside. Now let us look at what do we have on the box. This one is the box that came with the Bluetooth speaker, because the Bluetooth speaker is the free gift included. And now we can see this one is the device itself, the retail unit if you bought it without any gift. We have a tempered glass, a tripod selfie stand, and wide eye lenses, and also a pouch for the tripod stand. Okay, I will rearrange my place so that we can do a proper unboxing for the retail unit.